Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video, I am sharing Aloo Matar Sabzi. This sabzi you can serve with chapati, roti, puri, and even with rice like jeera rice you can serve this Aloo Matar. This Aloo Matar is a nice combination with puri. So friends, you do try this recipe and enjoy with puri. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. So I am adding cinnamon sticks. First I am frying this potato. So now saute onion for 3-4 minutes or till it looks golden. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. So now I am adding 1 big size tomato puree. Once we add the tomato puree, now we can add the dry spices. So now I am adding here turmeric powder, salt as per taste, one spoon chili powder, coriander powder, dhania powder 2 spoons, now we have to cook this masala till the oil separates. We have to cook this masala. So in this masala, if you want, you can add 1 tablespoon curd also. So now I am adding fried potatoes, with green chilies, now I am adding this fresh peas. You can even use frozen peas. So add water. So now we have to cover this and cook it for 7-8 minutes like that. So after 8 minutes, like that, you can see this aloo matar is ready. You can first we have to check whether the potatoes are cooked properly or not. You can see. So it is ready now. garnish with coriander leaves. So this aloo matar gravy is ready. So friends, you can have this aloo matar with chapati, puri, paratha, and even with rice you can have this. So friends, if you like the video, if you like the recipe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.